Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is a mixed stamping plate haul. So this is just a mix of different stuff that I've picked up. So first off, I'm going to kick it off with a couple of Christmas ones. Yes, I know people are going to think Christmas already, but it's never too early to start thinking about Christmas, Halloween, all that sort of stuff. If you do it before, you know you're guaranteed to have them in time. So this is a mixed Christmas one. So this is XY06, and I just thought this one was really nice with the little danglies and Christmas trees, and it's the most wonderful time of the year. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. So yeah, I just thought it was really nice. I quite like the detail. Etching's not bad. I mean, I might swatch it and see and make 100% sure, but yeah, the etching isn't bad on it. Obviously it's one of the ones that have not got any backing on, so be very careful when you use these because you will cut your fingers, so just be really careful. So yeah, and don't forget, remove the blue film before you start using it, because otherwise you ain't got to pick nothing up. But yeah, and then the other Christmas one is this one as well, and this is XY04. And this has got a bunch of different stuff on. So you have some antlers here, like the headband thing, and you have Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, and snowflakes, and a church. And I like these like fronts, I quite like that, and this little decorative fence, very nice. I really like it. I thought it was really pretty. So yeah, there's that one. So they are the two Christmas ones. I also ordered a stamper. I can't remember how much this was, but this is how it comes. It's got a lid on as well. I will give this a try. I've had it ages, I just haven't tried it yet. It's very bad. So it comes with this tiny scraper, which is quite thick. It's a little bit of flex in there, but these scrapers are very good for like the like these sorts of images. Sometimes they're very good for them because they don't scrape too much out. So yeah, a very good scraper. And then this is the stamper at the bottom, as you can see, like that. And the stamper head is hollow and it comes with a lid. I really like that. And it's a little bit sticky, not overly sticky, but not too bad. And as you can see, it's a hollow. So I don't know how clear this will be to pick up images off of plates, but yeah, see, well, I will test it out for you and let you know in another video how I get on with it. So yeah, it's very pretty anyway. I thought, oh, I've got to have that in my collection just because I need it. I love having stampers. So yeah, I picked that up too. So that's the stamper, and this is I'll show you this one first. So this is from Mr. Fox. I like their plates. So this is the sleeve it comes in. So this is a matte sleeve. It's the same both sides, and this one is a happy birthday one. So it's got all different happy birthday writing on it. It's got cakes, all different celebration stuff. So I thought this one was really nice. So yeah, if you're looking for a birthday plate, definitely pick this one up. So yeah, I've never had a problem with their stamping plates either, and it comes with the backing, which is very good. So I will post pictures at the end because it is very difficult sometimes to show. So yeah, you could use this for birthdays, and you could probably use the sweets at Halloween, and you can use it as a Christmas and New Year because it's got a bit of everything on it. So yeah, it's a very good plate. So yeah, I will leave links as well. And then this is a mix of Harinata, Born Pretty, and Shop Ants. I will show you the Shop Ants first. So that is this one. So this one is XL13. I just really liked this. So you have bees in like honeycomb, and you have a cactus one here. You have flowers, roses, leaves, butterfly, and these like crystal ones. These crystal ones as well, I really like them. So yeah, I really like it. So that is a Shop Banks XL013. And then the Born Pretty one is Pure World L002. And this is what this one looks like. I absolutely love this plate. Cannot wait to use it. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I really do. I really like it. I just think it's really nice. I'm trying to turn my light down just a little bit to see. Is that better? Let me know if that's better. I can see better anyway. Ring light is just so big. Yeah, anyway, so this has got a mix of different stuff on it. There is some flowers, and you've got a hummingbird, you've got a couple of ladies, you've got like a lake, like a townhouse, and with a like the old-fashioned lamp posts and bridge and water. And I like this one too. So this is made up of like birds and a tiger's face. So yeah, I really like this. Very nice. Can't wait to use that as well. And then the Haranata ones, I've got a fair few of these. So let me just arrange them in number, because we all know how annoying that is. So yeah, this is the sleeve that Haranata ones come in. So I ordered this one because this is a pizza one. I didn't have one with pizzas on, and I just think this is really cool because you have like the separate toppings and everything, and I just think it's really cool. I really like it. So this is L023 L032. No, L023. Get it right, Karina. So yeah, you have all sorts of different ingredients. You have some eggs, cheese, what are these called? Olives. And yeah, I just thought it was really cool. So yeah, I picked it up. I had it in my basket for ages, I just didn't pick it up. So that is that one. I'm not going to try and say the number again. So this one is L076, and this is like kind of like a Chinese Japanese plate. So I just think this one is really nice as well. So you've got all different images on here. I mean, look. So yeah, I really like this. It's got lots and lots of different images on it. Very nice. So yeah, that is L076, and I also got L081, which is this one, which is a star sign one. I thought this one was really nice. I actually really like it. I like these crystals along the bottom, and yeah, I just think it's nice to have some of these ones in your collection. I think so anyway. So yeah, I like to collect different plates which have got all different kind of like a mix of images on it, because yeah, I have lots of plates. But yeah, this one is very nice. I really like it. So that's L081, and I also ordered L084, which is this one. I really like this one as well. Sorry, I really like this one as well. So you've got lots of different stuff on here. I mainly got it for this brick wall. I don't know why, but I really like it. And this like writing, I just think it's really funky. I really like it. Could do a lot of funky designs with this. So yeah, I like it a lot, and I see it on Instagram a lot, advertising this plate. So yeah, I thought I'd pick it up. And then the last thing in this haul is a stamping plate case. I will show you very briefly, because I will do a full review on this. So this is this one. So this is a Miss Cherry one, And as you can see, it's pink holographic. It is completely full with stamping plates, which I know is really, really bad. So yeah, there is like an absolute ton in here, and they've all got backings on, and it closes fine. The Moyu London plates do fit in here, but do be a bit careful, because when they are back to back like this, sometimes they can be a bit difficult to get out. So just be careful, because I've noticed as well that sometimes the writing on the back like sticks to this. I don't know why, but sometimes the writing sticks to the sleeves and then you can't get it out. It's like stuck in there. So yeah, just be a bit careful when putting Moyu London plates in there. So yeah, I will do a full review on this one, so I thought I would just show you. And I can't remember how much this one was, but I will put the price on the screen. So yeah, I will do a review on that. Well, hopefully you enjoyed this quick-ish stamping plate haul. I do have some more to do. I have a Beauty Big Bang one to do, and I don't know how many others to do either. And I will let you know how I get on with the stamper. So yeah, let me know down below what you think about what I've picked up. And yeah, when the other orders come in, I will be sure to share them with you. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up so I know that you did. And yeah, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye.